Hello everyone and welcome to a wonderful day here in Germany. It's raining, it's cold, just great. My name is Chris. Let's start. Today we're gonna see how fast this Volkswagen eGolf can accelerate from 0 to 100, 60 to 100 and 0 to its top speed of 155. As you can see, there's a lot of wheel spin here, even though we have dry road, but the winter tires on, it just cannot put the power that it has down to the road. Go. Bit uphill. And the power goes down. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day and take care.